The United States Federal Reserve's decision has been on the radar of crypto investors, given how the outcome has often affected the Bitcoin price. As usual, expectations were presented for the outcome, depending on what direction the Fed chose to go in its bid to curb inflation. In the end, the Fed's decision to remain neutral dashed, and more than 1,000 for 70,000%. Bitcoin tried out for all expectations, and a crypto CEO has chimed in to explain what this means for the Bitcoin price. Dadar Bekbaoff, founder and CEO of Bitcoin joint mining company Jiva, has given his 2 cents on how the Fed's decision has impacted the Bitcoin price. The CEO told Bitcoinists that this latest move by the Fed could be positive for the price. And Bekbaoff starts out by explaining that many experts of the financial industry expected that the U.S. Fed would not hike interest rates. This ended up being the case. The central banking system chose to keep rates within its tight range of 5.25 to 5.5% that is held for the last 22 years. According to the CEO, this move by the Fed actually makes mainstream financial assets less appealing to investors. Instead, the capital retention triggered by this decision would help drive the Bitcoin price, which could lead to a rally in the coming weeks. As such, the move was positive for the cryptocurrency. Bekbaoff's analysis of the impact is also in line with how the Bitcoin price has responded to the decision. Although there have been dips here and there, the cryptocurrency's price has maintained a good range between $26,000 and $27,000, bringing it higher than last week's levels. And going forward, Bekbaoff expects that the Fed will remain dovish in its approach to interest rates through the end of the year. He believes that this will lead to support for Bitcoin at $35,000 and then lead to a rise above the year-to-date price mark of $31,700. Additionally, the CEO expects the upcoming halving, as well as the spot Bitcoin ETF hype, to lead to a rally. Bitcoin's network promises are also a major trigger to boost growth in the midterm, as the hype surrounding the ETF and halving remains on the horizon to guide investors' interest moving forward, Bekbaoff said. And for now, BTC is still holding steady above the $26,600 support, which suggests that bulls have finally found their footing. However, the 6% decline in the asset's daily trading, what it was mainly complaining of Hitchernai's physical expansion in 19 men, was just ein-powered for mainly armed prides. But now, 19 to 17 mainly island with industry.